Hello everyone, welcome to Intel Analytics Academy. This is video number 2 in the playlist Anaconda Distribution for Data Science and Machine Learning. And in this video, I will walk you through uh, the Anaconda Distribution uh, artifacts once installed. So once you're done with your installation, you can just uh, move on to this Anaconda Navigator, wherein you can find all the uh, packages, tools installed for you to start your journey on data science. So here, once you open the Anaconda Navigator, you can see that the applications by default installed on the base root. So here you can find one of the most common and widely used applications for interactive computing, and you can see Jupyter Notebook here, wherein you can launch from inside this Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Lab and Spider, VS Code, and all the other required softwares. And you can also create virtual environments uh, to work with different versions of Python. So, for example, I have actually created Py3k to work with Keras deep learning packages, because some of the software's deep learning libraries will be supported in specific versions of Python. So I've actually created a virtual environment with the latest Python version 3.7, and when you just click on that different virtual environment, it will take you to the list of applications in that particular virtual environment. So just wait and you can see the list of applications installed on that particular virtual environment. So you can try to launch or install any of the applications which you want to work under that particular virtual environment. So that's all about Anaconda Navigator. So it will give you one place wherein you can launch all the required applications to start your data science journey and work with data. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just please post in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified with any future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.